Top 5 money-making methods for young hustlers. Broke, young, and ready for change? Look no further, my friend. This is your ultimate guide to the top 5 methods to make money when you're young. Unlock the potential for financial growth you didn't even know existed. Subscribe now to join me on this journey to monetary independence and gain the quintessential skills of the hustle. 1. Starting out in freelance writing. Hey there, amigos. Let's jump straight into the creative world of freelance writing. This method allows you to craft compelling advertisements, edgy blog posts, and everything in between. You could be a ghostwriter or just put your own name in the spotlight. The choice is yours. 2. Start tutoring your favorites. Now, on to method number 2, tutoring. Consider it strengthening your knowledge while earning money and empowering others with your wisdom. Yeah, I get it. It might sound daunting, but remember, you'd be sharing your knowledge with younger kids and helping them learn. Prepare yourself to see that light bulb moment in their eyes, and oh, that's priceless. 3. Music lessons. All right, my talented friends, how about sharing your musical expertise? If you play an instrument or have a great voice, you can cash in on providing music lessons. As a bonus, this method can also help you hone your musical skills. Remember that the sound of your success doesn't just ring in your ears, but also in your wallets. 4. Lawn mowing. Ready to flex those muscles and make some green? Of course you are. Our 4th method of mowing lawns isn't just great for that tan and fitness, but also your pockets. Start with a single lawn or take up an entire neighborhood's mowing chores, entirely up to you. Summer has never been this profitable, right? 5. Taking surveys online with Survey Junkie. Now let's step into the comfy and cozy world of online surveys as our final money-making method. Survey Junkie, for example, offers a way to make money anywhere, anytime. Sure, some of these places might not always pay out in cash, but gift cards and points can also help you save that cash. In essence, you're still winning, buddy.